today I'm coming on with a video. I'm going to do an art journal page or pages, and it's for Kerry Gibson art. It's a November art prompt. So she's rolled the dice yet again and yet again it's come out with the colour red. Right, so the main colour is red. The secondary colour is sage, which is a green, and then you can use black and white as much as you want. What else was that? Sorry, I'm trying to clean my glasses as well. Yeah, you've got to use a book, a piece of treasure, that's what I'm stuck on at the moment, and some jelly prints. So I love the way that we can use some jelly prints again. I love that. So I've got mostly everything set up that I want to do, and before we start I want to show you my new burner, if I can hold it up. It's a gingerbread man. It's a mug. I can't tilt it though, but because it's got wax in it, which smells like Christmas, and it's in the shape of a mug. It's really pretty, and it's got a little tiny, oh my god, I love it. It's got a little tiny gingerbread man in there. So that's my mini warmer from Sensei. I treated myself. Right, let's get back on with this. And right, so I've pre-painted this, and it's in a gouache paint, so it is a sagey green, and I've just put some of this acrylic spray on, which I dyed my fingers again. I've still got black ink from my fingers yesterday that's in ground, and I've scrubbed them and I can't get it off, but it will eventually come off. Not sure what this colour is, but it's a yellow anyway. You can see that. So what I've done now is I've just sprayed some more of a splatter than anything. You can see without it there. So I found a stars stencil, so we're going to do that. I've got some jelly prints out. This one is more or less red with bits and pieces of colours in it, and I'm going to use that. And I've got this piece, which is, let me try and get it. This was the idea from Betsy Doodle, which is DD, using, what are they called? They're called strimmer blades. So I had one of those. I've lost it again though, but I have got one, and it does give off a nice effect. And this is a green with a lot of shimmer in it, a lot of gold tone in there. So I will be using this. This was a roll off on the jelly print, and then I just stamped over it with that blade part. Well, it's called a strimmer blade, I think, or I don't know, but it holds the string in it. Absolutely no idea what the technical term of it's called. Right, so what I've got out so far is I've got some white gesso, a little natural sponge, I like these sponges, stencil. So I've got a stars one out. I think this isn't, yeah, it's an old Stampin' Up one. So I want to sort of make sure the stars are this end and this end only. I need something heavy on there, just so I can do it. There we go. Tape. Right, now we've got this down flatter for a minute. The problem is my journal's filling up now, So that's what I want now. I want it flatter, otherwise we won't be able to do the stenciling. I'm going to have to hold it there. Okay guys, it seems to be pretty dry now, so on to the next step. Okay, next part, papers. Give me a second. Right, this paper here, this is a gel print. I've just ripped it off. I could take that white off, but it looks nice. So I'm thinking, place this one here, like that. So I'm going to glue that down. Should have a glue stick here somewhere. Make sure, yeah, that's down. I'm going to use this piece. I'm going to stick that onto there. So I have done some prepping of this paper and what I'm going to put on there, because I had to fussy cut, and I don't think you want to see me fussy cut everything out. I like these are like children's glue sticks, but they're great for doing anything in your art books or journals or that. So we've got that on, so if I do that you can see it better because of the light straight down, you see. Right, so I've got these images from a probably 1940s, 1950s vintage children's book. A charity shop was chucking some odd books out and they didn't have backings on them or front covers or that. And I found some pages of these books. And there's a back print there. And I thought, I can't see them go to waste. I will have to do something. So I'm thinking about putting these down, and I've also cut out some bits. I believe the book's called Chirpy and something. Chirpy's a bird or something. I'm not sure because it didn't have a front cover, but the little bird in this series is called Chirpy. If anyone knows, let me know. But his name is Chirpy and he's got some elves, and it's all about like going to visit Father Christmas. But as I said, I've only got probably 10 pages of the book, so not a great deal of that. I'm not going to bother inking around the edges here, because if I feel like it needs any depth, I've got some pencils, watercolour pencils and that, which I absolutely love. I love all the colours in this as well. It's lovely. Whoever done that art. Now we're going to have that down the bottom, because I really want to put this text in, and I don't really want to cut this text about. Maybe like that. Yeah. Oh, and I've got to find a treasure, a piece of treasure. Okay guys, I'm going to go and find some treasure now, and maybe some words for here, and then I'll be straight back. Okay guys, we're back. I've gathered a few little bits from my treasures. Glue these on. getting some glue out now. Down here. Alright, the glue would dry clear anyway. Right, and then I want this gingerbread man on it, and my glue's gonna drip. I'm gonna put him there. I didn't have no idea where I was gonna put him then, but he'll have to go here. Right on that page there. Tim Holt's Ideology washi tapes, so I want to see which ones I want to put on. I think that's enough of the washi tape, because I'll go overboard, otherwise I'll be doing more of it. Right, well, we can put some of those on in places. They're still sticky, so that's nice. Okay guys, I've gathered up some more stuff, so let's start sticking some bits in. Okay, I think I'm going to call that done. There's should be some sparkle. Yeah, there is some sparkle to that hat. See if I can get you down. Can you see the sparkle? Probably not on the hat, on this hat. There we go. Now you can see it. And his slippers are all sparkly as well. There we go, you can see it now. Love that. Maybe their hats in a sparkle as well, and their capes. Little birdie there. So yeah, that's it, it's done. Love it, absolutely love it. It's very dreamy, it's very cute, it's very Christmassy. Yeah, I had a lot of fun doing that actually, and it didn't take me as long as I thought, because I just started out with a few random bits of paper and just progress with it really. So I hope you like this, guys, and yeah, thank you for Kerry for doing the art prompt. If you want to go over there and join in, it's still running all throughout November, and it's on each month, and it's fun doing it. As you can tell that I've had great fun doing this. Plus you use up all your scraps and everything and create something nice and new, and you can share it with your friends. So thank you for joining me once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.